I don't feel like it. Do the thing, then you get the feeling. Today, I've been feeling great. So I was talking to my maid, and I was really proud of myself. Afterwards, I was like, man, why do I feel so good right now? Because she does not speak English, and it's really hard for me. Just another insecurity. If you watched the show yesterday, I talked about how I get insecure about talking about health and fitness because I'm always afraid that I'm going to mess it up. I don't feel like I'm competent enough. All right. But the more I do it, the better I feel, because the better I do, because the more you do something, the better you are at it. That's why I'm doing all these live streams lately, because the more I do things, the better I become at it, the more competent I become. And the more competent I get at it, then the better I feel about myself. And the better I feel about myself, then the better I do. See how it goes around like that? You get that momentum. I don't feel like running, right? So I go to run, and guess what? I do good at it. Like yesterday, I'm not even going to tell you my time. Let's put it this way. Today, I ran over a minute quicker per mile than I did yesterday. Subscribe, help me get my silver play button, and leave a comment and tell me, what is your first income goal? And that made me feel good. Just the act of that, I said, I don't really feel like running. I'm not going to run today, but I did it anyway. And just the fact that I ran, and the fact that I was getting ready and I went out to run, I was feeling good about myself. I got confidence, because this is something I've been wanting to tell you also, that as I was at that half mile mark, it was like, oh my God, I'm already a minute faster than yesterday. So you know what happened? I started running faster. Now, if Siri had told me that I was slower than yesterday, that probably would have slowed me down or kept me at the same pace. However, since I was faster today, a minute faster, and I knew that and I heard that, so that made me go faster, and I finished, boom, a minute faster than I did yesterday. So, but then another thing, it's like, no matter what it is, if you're not good at something, or if you want to do something but you don't do it, you don't become better at it, and you don't progress with it. You don't build that momentum. That's why I'm building the momentum with the live stream. Why I'm doing so well with my running. That's why I'm doing so well with speaking Spanish. And also, one of the biggest things is having people support you. Join my coaching program. 10% goes to Operation Underground Railroad, helping kids escape sex trafficking. The application is below. I'll be your biggest cheerleader. I will make sure that you succeed. I love you, and I'm going to tell you the truth behind the scenes, because you're worth it. Join my coaching program, and if you hit your goal within the first 3 months, you get $500 cash back. I would really love to see your comments. I want to help you get fit, energetic, and start your business and get rich without being homeless, so you can empower your family and the people around you. What are your health and fitness goals? What do you want to know about your health and fitness? I lost 250 pounds. So check this out. Why do I always stress and I talk about diet? Yes, I lost weight. See the picture right there. I lost 250 pounds. Tastes like money, right? Self-esteem, self-worth, tastes like money. Nothing is better than the feeling of accomplishment and loving yourself, because you kept your promises to yourself. And that's what I did yesterday. So, but the reason why I stress food and the reason why I stress physical activity is because it's healthy and it makes you feel good. When your food and your food intake and your body is optimized, then your mind is optimized. When your waistline is smaller, your brain is bigger. So the bigger your waistline, the smaller your brain. Watch. Waist big, brain like small. Big brains, and I cannot lie. My name is Liberty V Justice, and I want you to check out this episode in the comments, and please give me your email, and I reply to all my emails. You are worth it. I love you, and you're the reason that I do everything that I do. You're not going to feel like it most of the time. I don't feel like running most of the time, but I do love, and I do feel like feeling good and having good results. So that's why I do it. Because after I run, I feel amazing about myself. I feel confident. I feel stronger. I feel sexier. And then I have my flat stomach. Right? And watch this episode in the comments. Join my coaching program. The application is below. I'll be your biggest cheerleader. I will make sure that you succeed. I don't feel like it. You feel like it after you do the thing. So do the thing and keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. And the more you keep doing it, the more you'll feel it. You're worth it. Love you.